What I bring to y'all is something new.
Yeah.
Something fresh.
Yeah.
Something splashy.
Yeah.
Something better than what you been getting.
Fuck with it.
Skull Gang.
Yeah.
This is a takeover. The new movement to move with. Let's go. So I decided to set the tape off mellow, right?
That's right.
Cause it's about to get real crazy and real interesting right after this.
Oh yeah, it is.
Take notes.
Give me a beat in the morning, a beat in the evening. Just call me up, I'll lay it down immediately. Hit after hit, we keeping it consistent. Cause that's what we supposed to do. Give me the music business, the music business, the music business, the music business. Give me the music business. We taking over and here's how we gon' prove it. We gon' take the music business from you and make lots of dough, make lots of dough. We gon' take the music business from you and make lots of dough, make lots of dough. We gon' take the music business from
Big homie now.
I told you my Queens niggas was in the building.
Def always get.
I'm here.
Queens. Let's talk about it.
Queens is in the building.
I ain't even gotta say nothing. I ain't gotta say nothing.
You gotta say no. We out here. Everybody shiny. Everybody looking good.
Why not?
Let me see it. Everybody shiny. Let's talk about it.
There's a lot of accessories here.
Accessories, nigga.
Never
A lot of accessories.
Never seen that.
That's part of that splash. That splash thing, you dig? It's all boroughs in here right now.
Yeah.
It's love
Right now you got the biggest unit. Let's talk about it. Juelz, Sanatana, one of the biggest units, Skull Gang.
I'm moving on any and everything. Get used to it. This is just a taster, you know what I mean? We gonna do these type of things every year. Frequently, we gonna go to Queens and do it. We gonna go to Harlem and do it. We gonna come back every borough. We gonna do this shit right. Shit, nigga. And the movement gonna grow.
Sell off.
Yeah. Poppy, your boy Juelz Santana, Dipset, Skull Gang, you dig? New movement to move with. Street Kids United by loyalty and loot. Fientouttv, fuck with it.
Cover me, I'm going in.
Shit, nigga.
I need a Dutch. This is an emergency. I'm gonna give you a Dutch. I'm gonna give Fientouttv give you a Dutch. Queens niggas. Ow.
What you gotta say now?
Niggas Jim in the building.
Fientouttv.
You need the weed too. Weed. I need the weed too. You in a lovely environment. This is where we at right now.
Fientouttv.
You don't get this too much.
Jim Jones. We out here.
Skull Gang, Bird Gang.
You gotta love it.
We put on for our city.
I already know.
When the last time I seen you at?
Miami, where I was doing my thing. Matter of fact, after Miami, Summer Jam. Summer Jam. Next year I need to be rolling with you because I really do my thing out here. I'm holding it down.
We might can work that out.
Andy Benny, Fientouttv, Jim Jones.
We're gonna figure it out.
I'm in the hood, just call for me, kid. That's it.